To cite newspaper articles found within a database, we will begin with the name of the author. The author's last name is presented. We then include a comma, after which we provide the author's first name. Finally, we end the author portion of the citation with a period. If the article you are citing has two authors, its citation will look like this. Here, after the first author, we include a comma, the word and then the second author's name. Please note that the second author's name is presented first and then last. If we have an article with three or more authors, its citation will look like this. After the initial author and comma, we will include the words et al., which means and others in Latin. Once we have provided the author information, we will then proceed to the article title. Before we give the article title, we will include opening quotation marks. We then provide the article title. Generally, we capitalize all nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs within the title. We will then include a period and closing quotes. After providing the article title, we will then give the newspaper title. The title of the newspaper is capitalized normally and is given in italics. This section is then concluded with a comma. The newspaper title is followed by the publication date. We will provide the day, month, and year that the article was published. If the month is more than 4 letters long, abbreviate it. We will then include a comma. Next, we will provide the page numbers for the article. Abbreviate page numbers with PP period. Then give the all-inclusive page numbers where the article can be found. Conclude this section with a period. Next, we will provide the database name. We give the database name in italics and then provide a comma. Next, we provide the DOI, or Digital Object Identifier number, for the article. The DOI is a permanent link to the article. If a DOI is not given, we should provide a URL to the article, as is shown here. We then end this section with a period. Finally, we will provide the date we accessed the article. After typing the word accessed, we will provide the day, month, and year that we accessed the article. If the month is more than 4 letters long, abbreviate it. We will then end the citation with a period. By providing this set of information in this order, we make it easy for a reader to find and validate the information that we are providing from database newspapers.